Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox zombie games. First, select a game that appeals to you from the many options available on Roblox. Once inside, your primary goal is to survive against relentless zombie hordes. Take a moment to learn the specific controls and user interface for your chosen game, as these can vary. Many games offer a brief tutorial to help to succeed. Collecting powerful weapons and ample ammunition is crucial for fending off the undead. Teamwork is often key. Collaborate with other players to construct barricades and secure strategic positions. Always keep an eye on your health bar and other vital resources, like bandages or medkits, to ensure you can withstand multiple zombie waves. With the old strut out, it's time to prepare and install the new one. If your new strut doesn't come pre-assembled, you'll need to use a spring compressor to safely transfer the old spring onto the new strut. Once assembled, carefully guide the new strut assembly up into the strut tower. Secure the 3 upper strut mount nuts first, then reattach the 2 lower mounting bolts to the steering knuckle, tightening them to specification. Consistent practice is vital for honing your aiming precision and movement efficiency, which are critical for survival. Observing skilled players can provide valuable insights into advanced strategies and optimal routes within the game maps. Don't hesitate to explore various game modes, such as endless survival or objective-based missions, to discover what you enjoy most and keep the experience fresh.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.